how Lunc burn mechanism could spark recovery in first quarter 2024, and what's next for Lunc. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. Let's start with the Terra Tritium token. As we can see, Strit is slowly gaining momentum. Also, the development team recently reported a huge marketing that could send the price of Strit to the moon. Many of you know that Terra will soon have a bridge for access to all blockchains, so I think that Strit token will be in demand in just a few weeks, as everyone will buy it for exchanges, and there is a lot of money to be made. Strit token is at its lows now, so there is no better time to buy it. Buy Strit token, wait for the Tritium bridge to be launched, and profit with me. All links to the token are in the description. Make sure you go and make money. So let's continue with Terra Classic price forecast. Lunc has recently signaled a bullish momentum, marking a significant recovery after facing numerous challenges. In the last month, its stabilization hints at a potential upward trajectory. Currently, the Terra Classic stands at 0.30's $124. This represents a slight increase of 4% over the past day, despite a minor setback. In the previous week, Terra Classic overcame several dips, posting a notable 7% gain. This movement indicates a growing optimism among investors despite ongoing market volatility. Despite these fluctuations, Terra Classic maintains its position as the 105th cryptocurrency by market capitalization, with a total value of $716 million. Recent hours have seen the market for Lunc navigate through a bearish phase. This downturn was brief, as market volatility soon intensified. The cryptocurrency experienced a significant drop, breaching its support level and recording a loss of over 2%. This decline led to a period of constrained price action, reflecting the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency market. This recent wave of optimism within the Terra Classic ecosystem is significantly bolstered by the token burning strategy for Lunc, alongside a notable increase in Lunc staking and a boost in trading volumes. The Terra Classic community recently proposed incinerating a staggering 800 million USTC tokens, further energizing the Lunc market. The action taken by Binance to obliterate 5.57 billion Lunc tokens in January has played a vital role in uplifting the morale around the cryptocurrency. The launch of a USTC perpetual contract and new trading pairs for USTC and Lunc by Binance and various other trading platforms have invigorated market participation. With Bitcoin breaking through the $52,000 resistance mark, the cryptocurrency sector is riding a wave of optimism, eagerly awaiting further advancements as the halving event draws near. This sentiment casts a favorable light on Terra Classic and the cryptocurrency landscape at large. Following this, the cryptocurrency experienced a fluctuation in value, trading between 0.40's $895 and 0.30's $102 over a fortnight. This period was characterized by hesitation and prudent trading strategies among investors. With the momentum from the Lunc token burning initiative and the current uptrend, if the market extends its rally past the 0.30's $12 mark, the Lunc price could see a resurgence of bullish momentum. This scenario could pave the way for the currency to challenge higher resistance levels, first at 0.30's $19 and possibly stretching to 0.30's $2. Conversely, if the market sentiment shifts towards bearish, the Lunc price might witness a pullback to the 0.30's $1 support level. Persisting bearish trends could push the price further down, approaching a lower support threshold at 0.40's $9. The MACD is currently signaling an uptrend, with the MACD and its signal line positioned above the zero line. However, the RSI on the daily chart is still above the 50 mark, suggesting a more neutral market stance. Additionally, the Chaikin money flow underscores the prevailing bullish sentiment permeating the market. Now let's talk about that the Terra Classic rebounds from 50 EMA. Terra Classic retreats on the second consecutive day, amplifying signs of weakness over the charts. The bears dragged the price lower yesterday after the price failed to break higher, and a bearish pin bar candlestick was noted over the charts. However, the bulls tried to counter the selling pressure in the evening sessions, but Tuesday's candle still closed in red. On Wednesday, the bears resumed to drag the price down from yesterday's closing and have been dominating in the morning session. By the time of writing, the price was at 0.30's $11, with a negative intraday development of 3.49%. Currently, the LUNT price is hovering near the 20 and 50-day EMAs. Now, if the buyers make a comeback in the second half of the sessions, the price may experience a recovery and reclaim highs. The daily charts show a positive trend that prevailed in the last couple of weeks, which has not been violated yet, though the bears have showcased their presence near the recent supply zone at 0.30's $137. The short-term outlook is positive until the price is maintained above the recent swing low at $111, which is also near the 200-day EMA. The bull may keep entering until the price hovers above the recent swing low and try to push the price near the higher supply level. Fresh downside moves may be noted on the charts if Terra Classic price breaks below the recent low and trades comfortably near it. It may validate the chances of a trend reversal towards the bearish side, and the price may crash to the lower levels of 0.3, Zero's $10, and 0.4 Zero's $90. The technical indicators imply a positive outlook in the long term, as well as the price hovers above the 200-day EMA. Also, the price is above the 50-day EMA, suggesting a slight bullish outlook in the short term. At the time of writing, MACD line and signal line both are hovering above the zero line, indicating a positive trend prevailed in the short term. However, the MACD line is converging towards the zero line, indicating the early signs of weakness over the charts. The positive outlook of our analysts hope for the Lunc to recover from the 50-day EMA and reclaim its presence near the higher supply level of 0.30's $137, suggesting an upside potential of nearly 16%. However, the bearish view of our analysts estimates a breakdown below the 200-day EMA, after which the crypto may drop to the 0.30's $11 and 0.40's $10 levels. Let's also talk about Kwon. While the bull run of Bitcoin and altcoins in 2021 was expected to last for a long time, a bombshell news dropped on May 9th, 2022 that changed many things forever. The event centered around Terra, and Kwon led to a crash in Luna's price, while Terra's stablecoin UST lost its $1 peg, causing the market to be significantly disrupted. Following this turmoil, a critical decision has been made today after Kwon, who had gone missing, was arrested in Montenegro. According to breaking news that has just hit the cryptocurrency world, the Podgorica court in Montenegro has decided to which country Kwon will be extradited. In a process filled with uncertainty, it has emerged that the United States has won the case against South Korea for the extradition. During the intense legal battle, both countries had requested Montenegro to extradite Kwon to them, but until today, there had been no clear answer. And lastly, let's talk about latest Terra Classic price prediction. Rising from the ashes of the collapse of the Terra blockchain, Terra Classic has been perhaps more successful than some crypto experts may have thought. That does not mean everything has been plain sailing. In September 2023, the cryptos community voted to end minting its USTC stablecoin in an attempt to repeg USTC to the dollar. Along with USTC and Luna, Lunc shot up in late November 2023, following the announcement that its founder Kwon was to be extradited. However, early 2024 saw founders Terraform Labs file for bankruptcy in a move which drove the price down. This move was exacerbated by the Terra Classic community rejected proposals to change the number of validators. On January 22, 2024, Terra Classic was worth about 0.30's $102. Let's examine some of the Terra Classic price predictions being made on January 22nd, 2024. It is crucial to bear in mind that price forecasts, particularly for a potentially volatile asset like cryptocurrency, often turn out to be inaccurate. Additionally, please remember that many long-term crypto price predictions are generated using algorithms, which means they can change at any time. First, CoinCodex had a rather hopeful short-term Terra Classic price prediction. The site said it expected Lunc to reach 0.30's $112 by January 27th and to get to 0.30's $118 by February 21st. The site's technical analysis was bearish, with 22 indicators sending discouraging signals and just 7 making bullish ones. Digital Coin Price said that Terra Classic would reach 0.30's $221 this year. BitNation thought Lunc would trade at about 0.30's $259 then. Price Prediction Net said it would reach 0.30's $165 in 2024. So what's Lunc price are you expecting this week? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.